Rolihlahla Mandela was born in Vezo, South Africa on the 18th of July 1918. While he was studying at school, his teacher gave him the nickname Nelson. He was very clever and got his school diploma in 2 years, instead of the usual 3 years. He liked boxing and running. While he was attending university, he became interested in politics. South Africa had a system called apartheid, which means separation in Afrikaans, where black people and white people couldn't be together in the same place. Mandela didn't think this was right, and so he was often getting into trouble with the police. In 1962, he was sentenced to 5 years in prison for treason. Mandela remained in prison for 27 years, 22 years longer than his sentence. For 18 years he was imprisoned on Robben Island, in a very small cell, which was only 5 square meters. He was allowed 1 visitor and 1 letter every 6 months. Mandela was released from prison on the 18th of February 1990. He immediately returned to his goal of uniting black and white South Africa. He wanted to abolish apartheid in a peaceful way, and he believed that violence was not the answer. He finally reached his goal in 1994 when he was elected President of South Africa in the first democratic election. He was 75 years when he became president, and he finally retired in 1999. He died in 2013.